8 years after the Malegaon blasts, the National Investigative Agency has filed a rather watered-down supplementary charge sheet in the case. The NIA has told the court that there isn't enough evidence to implicate Sadhvi Pragya Thakur along with 5 others under the stringent MCOCA Act or the MCOCA Act. Remember, the Maharashtra Anti-Terror Squad had already named Pragya Thakur as a prime accused along with Colonel Pandit, who continues to feature in the charge sheet. Hailed as the face of saffron terror, the Congress has alleged that the government is using its machinery to bail out its affiliates, including Sadhvi Pragya, with senior leader Digvijay Singh hitting out at the centre and the Home Minister. Let's now get in Megha Prasad from Times Now for more on that. Megha, tell us what, according to the NIA, is the rationale behind letting Pragya off the hook and not Colonel Pandit?
Well, in fact, what is more interesting is that it's not 2 different agencies that have given out different versions. It is the same agency that has perhaps given out different indications at different times, and that is what the NIA perhaps will have to explain. The same National Investigative Agency till 2.5 years back was clearly of the opinion that Sadhvi Pragya Singh and Colonel Purohit are the people, who have conspired and then carried out Malegaon blast in 2008. And now, in 2 years' time, the entire investigation is turned on its head. And now they are of the opinion that Sadhvi Pragya Singh is not even an accused in this case. And that's why the NIA has moved to, drop all charges against her. And even as far as Colonel Purohit is concerned, they are of the opinion that perhaps he's not somebody who had procured the RDX that was used to manufacture the bomb that went off in Malegaon in 2008, that he is not somebody who's responsible for sourcing the RDX. So that particular charge against him is also off the table. Now, how is the NIA that, believed something absolutely different 2 years back has now come to believe this? If this is not political interference, which other way is the opposition going to read it? Now, the question is, which particular version is actually correct? Is it that around that time when the BJP was levelling allegations against the UPA government, the Congress saying that they are trying to politicize this investigation, when those, was the investigation around that time that was done, was that correct? Or the investigation that has now been, put forth before the court by way of this charge sheet is correct? That's for the court to decide.
मैं केंद्र सरकार से इतना ही अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि हमें मालूम है कि आप उनका बचाव करना चाहते हैं। हम जानते हैं कि आपके संबंध उन सब लोगों से हैं जो आतंकवादी गतिविधियों में शामिल रहे हैं। मैं जानना चाहता हूं गृह मंत्री जी से, राजनाथ सिंह जी से, एनआईए के डायरेक्टर का एक्सटेंशन आपने क्या इसीलिए दिया था कि वे एनआईए से के केसेस में संघ के लोगों को बचाएं?
गजब है, जिसकी सरकार बनती है उसकी एनआईए हो जाती है।
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.